Today we will discuss about an important topic on the cross filter. We have a two dimension and one fact table to walk through on this. The customer slicer has the customer name and the product slicer has brand, and we made a three bar chart: customer filter, product not filter. See what the syntax behind this is. If you see here, this is the syntax actually. Let's say we made a calculate of a count of customer table, and using that we made the calculate of count of customer, and we want the class filter to be applied, and from the customer to your sales fact table, and then the customer table, and we made the direction as a both, so that by default it would be customer to sales. And what if the customer to sales, so customer to sales to customer, we want to make in a reverse direction, so we make it as a both as a direction. And we made other fraud filter here. What we made is we want the same customer, and we made the cross filter from customer to sales, and from sales to product, so that if I'm selecting a particular product, I can able to see the corresponding customer belong to the product, so that the travels would be product to sales, and sales to customer. That's the idea behind that. And if you see here, what we actually made is, let's say I'm just unselecting the values here, so I can able to see the customer and the product which is filtered here. And you can see the customer is not yet filtered, the product not yet filtered. We are seeing 0 to 5, 0 to 5. As soon as I'm selecting a customer here, I can able to see only one row, and also I'm showing this bar chart that showing as a customer is filtered, having the count of record as one. And if I'm selecting the apple, there won't be any change here. Let's say if I'm just unselect this here, right? My idea is I want the same scenario, same filter. I want to do it from product slicer instead of customer slicer here. I'm selecting apple here, and I'm able to see here the product is filtered. This product is filtered. We made it for both the customer and the product. So I'm able to see the product is filtered one, and the customer is filtered as a one. So likewise, whatever the slicer you selected from customer dimension or product dimension, you will get the appropriate sales fact record here. That is the idea of this customer filter. And the navigation is very important here. We made the cross filter from customer to sales and sales to product, so that if you select a item from the product slicer, the appropriate the brand of the count of records will be fetched here, and then with the both option is enabled via cross filter, this go through the customer and select the appropriate of the brand. Likewise, if you select from the customer, it will select fetch you the appropriate count of records of the customer, and then it will go to this product and select the appropriate brand of the customer here. So this is the purpose of class filter. I hope this will give a better idea how to implement in your Power BI data model. Thank you.